Is this sound high or low? What about this one? Come and find out on our episode number 8, high or low.